Welcome back to another episode of the Stock Medic. I'm Courtney Thomas.
And I'm Kadeem Thomas, the Everyday Dozier.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. We hope we bring you some value here today.
And then in the last video, we went over a lot of things that's been going on with AMC. And now we're also going to be discussing things going on with Airbnb. So in this video, we'll be discussing how to use the charts we've already brought up with all of that information and using that to buy stocks and buy options.
Right after the intro.
Airbnb. Now that is actually a great stock. And they only just recently opened it up, right? With the IPO.
Well, yeah, like last year.
Like last
2020.
Year. Right as the pandemic was ending.
Yeah.
People weren't really vacationing yet.
Right. But what's happening now?
Well, we're vaccinated. People are going out. I hear there's music festivals starting up again.
We were in Miami last weekend.
Oh, you guys were. I remember that. So you were traveling too.
Yes. So an Airbnb would be nice.
Oh, yeah.
For that, right? So
it really offers you something new, something different.
Right. People want to get out.
Yeah, and you get to stay with the locals, get to see what they know about the place.
That's correct. So I was looking at this chart. The economy is opening back up.
Yes.
Right? People are going to be looking to get out.
Mm-hmm.
They want to travel. Airbnb is sold down pretty nicely here. The high was 219. We can inspect it right here, right? There's your high at 219.94.
And that was back in April?
And that was back in February.
Oh, okay. February.
Okay.
Okay, then.
And now the thing is at 148.44. So where it's at now, it can get back to 170. From 150 to 170, a $20 move. You can buy the stock. You can buy the option. Okay. I like Airbnb here because it's sold down.
Okay.
And not only that, it's holding these support levels, right? That 132 area, you can tell on it. We can zoom in on that. You can see this large ignition candle at 129.71.
It was taken off.
That was holding the bottom. The buyers came in here, right? And then again, it kind of consolidated. And the fifth candle was an up candle, a bullish candle, an ignition candle.
Yeah, and what day was that? How long ago?
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days ago. Because each candle represents one day on this particular chart. We can switch it though.
Yeah.
Right? We can go from the daily to the minute chart. You know, I usually use that if I'm looking to enter the trade.
Okay.
Right? I'll look at the daily to tell where's the stock at. But then I switch to the minute when I'm looking to enter to get my best price
to see what it's doing
right now.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So yeah, the technicals look great for Airbnb. Well, besides the fact that, great technicals and everyone's going to be traveling around again soon, what are the actual fundamentals for Airbnb?
We should always look at the fundamentals.
Yes,
right?
yes.
The chart gives us a guideline like, hey, we can probably buy this thing here.
But we need a floor now.
Let's look at why, right? Fundamentally why we should. There's a price target here of 172.50.
Okay.
Right. So these are the analysts.
So it's underneath where it should be.
Right. From Yahoo Finance. It's on Yahoo Finance, 172.50. It's about 148, say 150. So there's about a $20 move there we can capture.
At minimum. There's at least that on the table.
At least $20, I believe, and the chart believes. They report on August 12th, their earnings.
Okay, that's coming up in a few months.
But it's far enough away, right? It's over a month away.
Yeah.
I like that. Okay. I like that the stock sold off. I like that technical aspect of it. They're $71 off their 52-week high.
Okay, then.
Okay, so we're not buying the highs.
Yeah, no, we're in the lower period.
We're buying the lows.
Okay.
I like that. The target price was pushed up to 170. That gives us a nice move. If you buy the option on this, it moves $20. That could pay off pretty good. And you buy the stock, buy 100 shares of the stock.
Yeah.
Right? The stock goes up, the option goes up. You sell the option there at the top, you hold on to your stock because it could go higher.
And so now, before we get prepared to actually buy into another option here,
Right.
for those who don't understand, let's explain what exactly is an option. And then in between that, we have calls and
puts.
Okay,
right?
then.
Because if you believe the option or the stock is going to go up, you can buy a call option on those stocks.
And so that's kind of like betting. I'm betting that the price of this stock is going to go up.
Go up versus down or sideways.
Okay, so that's a call option.
So that would be your call option. Or if you believe it's going to go down, you can buy a put option.
I see.
On the stock.
And then so with that, I'm buying the possibility of buying 100 shares if it goes up with a call, or selling 100 shares if it goes down with a put.
With a put, because if you buy one call option, that equals 100 shares of the stock. You get to control 100 shares of the stock, but you don't pay the cost. If it costs you $3,000 to buy the stock, it may cost you $300 to buy the option.
That's why I could afford Tesla.
That's why you could afford the option in Tesla, and you can benefit in the upward appreciation of the stock. If volatility is huge in options, but if the volatility goes in your direction, it could really pay off big, and you limit your losses.
And so seeing as the volume right now here is kind of low for Airbnb, that's going to make my stock option even a lower price if I do look into it for this next week or so.
I like that. I think you're right by buying the stock here, right? I believe your downside is limited. We went over the chart. RSI was trending up. You can see RSI right here trending up. It's at 47. It can go up to 70 or even 90.
Okay, so definitely if I even put that out for just a month and sold before the...
Give yourself 30, 40, 60 days. Give it the time to get to 170. Maybe even get above 180, that 100-day moving average, which is right here. If we can get above that 175 area, this thing could then break out, and that's where your cup and handle comes in play.
And then once we see that cup and handle come, I'm just buying more options.
It could even go higher because now it's above the previous high. Okay, where does it go next? So I really like Airbnb here. I really like the technical aspect of it here, and I like the fundamentals.
Okay.
Thanks again for watching another episode of The Stock Medic. I'm Courtney Thomas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hitting the notification bell so you will be informed as soon as we drop another video. Also, if you're interested in investing in crypto, hit the links below. Thanks again for watching.
And remember to stay humble, stay informed, and get yourself a bigger slice of that pie.
Have a good evening.